Good morning to Dr. Yusrita. My name is Timothy, matrix number 297880. Today I'm gonna present a case study about Paul elevating UX design for cat owners for human computer interaction SCCVK2013. So for case study overview, the selected case study is Paul. It's an iOS application designed to help the cat owner to understand their cat behavior. And other than that, the apps also enable user to analyze their cat behavior on various indicators such as eyes, ear, body, tails, and so on. So this foster a deeper understand of cat behavior and they strengthen the bond between their cat and owner. So for next section, I'm gonna share about what UX techniques has been used in this case study. So this case study using 5 UX techniques. For the first one is wireframing and prototyping. Their development meet Fidelity wireframe in Figma to visualize the design concept, and also interactive prototyping to refine user flows. For second UX techniques is usability testing. So they conducted 3 cat owners in like 1 or 3 years and 14-minute section to observe user experience to identify the pain point. The third UX technique is user research and problem identification. So they conducted desk research and interview with cat owners to identify common challenge in understanding cat behavior. Also insight from research set the app's key features, for example like behavior analysis and logging. So the four UX technique has been using in this case study is interactive design and feedback integration. So in this technique, they revise user flows and integrate features like linking, analyze result to log based on user level, based on usability testing feedback. So the last one use technique is style guide development. They define a color palette like orange for Terzium, green for Calmless, and typography for SF Pro Rounded, and to create an engaging and user-friendly aesthetic. For next section is about evaluate and debate UX technique. So for the first one is usability testing. So what is usability testing? It's a UX technique to evaluate how real user interact with a product and how its implementation in Popol is offers user performing tasks like analyzing cat behavior and logging result, and also identify areas for improvement such as feature integration and clearer dashboard. Purpose for this UX technique is enhance user satisfaction and ensure the apps meet user needs. Strength for this UX technique is they provide direct feedback from actual user and highlight specific pain point in the user journey, and also inform crucial revision like integrating features for seamless navigation. So for weakness, there are small sample size like 3 users. So this UX technique limits generalizability and also time consuming and resource intensive. So the alternative use technique for this case study is A/B testing. So what is A/B testing? A/B testing is compare two versions of an interface to determine which perform better. So why it called work for Popo? Because this technique allow user to testing of specific design element like dashboard layout, color, and also can gather quantitative data from the larger user base. So what is the strength of A/B testing? Use technique is allow comparison of, like I said before, allow comparison of design variation like dashboard layout to determine the more effective approach, and also capture behavioral data rather than relying on self-reported user experience. A weakness of A/B testing is require a larger user based on research, and also which may not feasible for early stage development, and also less effective for evaluating the holistic user experience on their response compared to direct observation in usability testing. So for last one conclusion, I think usability testing play a critical role in refining Popo features and user flow. And A/B testing help further optimize design element and reach a broader audience. So my recommendation is combine usability testing for early insight with A/B testing during later stage to balance qualitative and quantitative feedback. This is my reference for whole study case. So I found out my content or information from these three websites, which is the first one, Popol US Design Case Study, which is the case study analysis and present just now from Putri Sofia, published on 2023, June 22. And second one, most common UX design method and techniques from Marvel blog, published by Babbage on 2022, June 1. And the last one, A/B testing guide from Seren, published on 2024, August 5. That's all for me for presentation use case. Thank you for listening.